Have you ever gazed upon the night sky and pondered the endless possibilities that lie within its vast expanse? With the advent of private companies venturing into space exploration, the final frontier is no longer a dream but a reality that's unfolding right before our eyes. Private space exploration has seen an impressive growth spurt in the last 2 decades. Once dominated by governmental agencies, the cosmos now beckons to private enterprises, unlocking a universe of potential. One can't help but marvel at the tenacity of SpaceX. Founded by the visionary Elon Musk, the company has made leaps and bounds in the industry. From launching the first privately funded spacecraft to reach the International Space Station, to pioneering reusable rockets, SpaceX has cemented its position as a leader in space exploration. But they are not alone in this cosmic race. Blue Origin, under the guidance of Amazon's Jeff Bezos, is also carving out a niche for itself. Their focus on building a future where millions of people can live and work in space is an audacious goal that could change the face of humanity. Then there's Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic, a company that aims to make space tourism a reality. Their suborbital space flights for space tourists offer an exciting glimpse into the future of leisure travel. And let's not forget the lesser-known yet equally promising companies like Rocket Lab and Planetary Resources. These companies are focusing on aspects like small satellite launches and asteroid mining, presenting unique investment opportunities. As the sector continues to expand, the potential for growth and innovation is astronomical. Each company, with its unique vision and strategy, is contributing towards shaping a future where space is no longer a government's playground, but a thriving marketplace. Investing in private space exploration is not just about monetary returns. It's about being part of a larger narrative, a shift in how we perceive our place in the universe. It's about supporting technologies that could revolutionize industries, from telecommunications to resource mining, and even potentially solve some of Earth's most pressing issues. However, it's important to approach this investment opportunity with a balanced perspective. The space industry, like any other, comes with its own set of risks and challenges. The high cost of innovation, regulatory uncertainties, and the inherent risks of space missions should all be taken into account. In conclusion, private space exploration presents a unique investment opportunity. The growth and potential of various players in the sector are undeniable. However, it's crucial to understand the risks involved and invest wisely. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, the question isn't whether we should venture into the cosmos, but how we can contribute to this audacious journey. For the investors among us, the answer may lie in the burgeoning private space industry. And so, as we gaze upon the night sky, we no longer see just a canvas of twinkling stars, but a vast expanse filled with possibilities, ripe for exploration and ready for investment.